In this video, I'm going to teach you box breath, also known as Samavitri. And this is where we inhale, hold the breath, exhale, hold the breath for a certain count. So in this video, we're going to do inhale for 3, hold for 3, exhale for 3, hold for 3. So just make sure you're sitting comfortably. You can roll the shoulders. And begin with a few normal breaths. You can have the eyes closed if that feels comfortable for you. Take a moment to drop into your breath. So now we'll begin this box breath. So inhale for 3 on 1, on 2, on 3. Hold the breath on 1, on 2, on 3. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3. Hold the breath on 1, on 2, on 3. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3. Retain on 1, on 2, on 3. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3. Retain on 1, on 2, on 3. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3. Hold on 1, on 2, on 3. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3. Hold on 1, on 2, on 3. Inhale. Retain. Exhale. Retain. Inhale. Retain. Exhale. Retain. And just keep repeating this, so you can repeat this for as many times as you like. And you're looking for your body, your mind to become calm as you take this breath. Of course, at any point, feel free to move around and maybe roll the shoulders, make sure the neck and the jaw is relaxed. And then you can continue with your box breath, Samavitri. You also have the option to increase the count, so maybe you can go to 4 or 5 or 6, but every breath, so every in-breath, every retention, every exhale, every retention after the exhale should be the same in length. So whether that's 3, 4, 5 or 6 is up to you. Of course, whenever you feel ready to release from this breath, after the retention, after the exhale, the next in-breath will just be a full and deep breath. And then take a slow breath out. Take a few normal breaths. And then you can complete this breathing exercise.